What I want to show you in this video is how you can find the least common multiple. So now LCM is different than GCF. So what we're thinking about here is the smallest, because of the least. The smallest number that two other numbers go into. So here's an example. Alright, so I'm going to take 8 and 12, and I'm going to find the smallest number they both go into. And the awesome part about this, or one of the many awesome parts about this is just like what we already know. We're going to use the same exact structure and way of thinking about it that we've seen for everything else. So first I do my upside down division, and I ask myself what goes into 8 and 12? 2, because they're both even. And I am now left with 4 and 6. Upside down division again. What goes into both 4 and 6? 2. So I'm left with 2 and 3. What goes into both 2 and 3? 1. And I'm left with 2 and 3. So now remember, right now we are finding the LCM. So we are going to make an L around the outside of our shape. And all of those numbers there make up our LCM. So my LCM, or least common multiple, is going to be 2 times 2 times 1 times 2 times 3. If I do that all out, I get 2 times 2 is 4, times 1 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 3 is 24. So what does that 24 tell me? 24 tells me that the smallest number that both 12 and 8 go into is 24. Let me do one more for you. So let's find the LCM this time of 16 and 10. And I'm going to do upside down division. They're both even, so 2 goes into both. I'm left with 8, and 5. Upside down division. 1 goes into both of them, so I'm left with 8 and 5. Again, the super cool thing about this is I'm thinking LCM. I make my L, and here are all my numbers for LCM. I now know that the LCM of 16 and 10 is 2 times 1 times 8 times 5. 2 times 1 is 2, times 8 is 16, times 5 is 80. So 80 is the smallest number that both 10 and 16 go into. So the first question on your homework tonight asks about Kate, and her favorite color is pink. She loves pink. All right, have a great weekend. If you have any questions, post them on Edmodo.